Neha's alarm clock. There are four main characters in this lesson: narrator, Neha, birds, mother. So let's start. Ring, ring, ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with the pillow, snuggle under the warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up. She muttered to herself.
This alarm clock always rings at 6 and pull me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes.
Something falls. Neha smiles.
Oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get up late.
Next morning, there is no alarm. So Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small chirpy birds which come to the windowsill every morning find Neha still sleeping. Wake up, dear. Wake up fast. Neha get up with a start.
Oh no, if it is not the alarm clock, it is these words. Why don't they leave me alone?
Even this wish of Neha's comes true. The next morning, there is not only no alarm clock, there are no words either. But there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big, bright sun. He fills Neha's room with warm smile.
Oh my eyes, now it is sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be?
Even this wish of Neha's comes true. Next morning, the sun is behind the clouds. So Neha snored till she hear her mother's voice. Wake up, sleepyhead. You will miss the bus.
Oh no, why does mother have to wake up me up?
There is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happened the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother.
Ma, who woke me up today?
Mother smiled. Who else? You, of course.
But I was sleeping. How could I?
Now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon?
I feel hungry.
Why do you sleep at 9 every night?
Because I feel sleepy.
There is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up.
Oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus.
Relax. Today is Sunday.
Oh.
So, new words are snuggle, mutter, windowsill, relax. Reading is fun. Tick the correct answer. Question 1. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock. The answer is 6 o'clock. Question 2. What did the words say? Sleep on, wake up, go and play. The answer is wake up. Question 3. What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Our body clock, our eyes, our feet. Answer is our body clock. Question 4. Put the letter in the right order one has done for you. The answers are smile, morning, alarm, snort, clock, window. Let's listen and talk. Question 1. Listen to the sounds around you when you are on your way to school. Discuss with your friends the sounds that you heard. List them here. Sounds you heard, sounds your friend heard. You can write the sounds like bark of dogs, sound of moving vehicles, cow cow of crows, chirping of the birds, sounds of fan, ticking of clock, sound of TV, sounds of car engine, tapping of boots. Question 2. If there is no clock in the house to wake up you in the morning, how will you wake up? Will you continue sleep or I'll wake up by hearing the chirping of birds, the rising sun light up the room with its beautiful rays and make it easier to wake up. Question 3. What are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? There are many ways of knowing the time during day via the position of sun, listening to radio, asking people about time, watching TV, etc. Word building. Question 1. Find the hidden words. Mother, birds, clock, alarm, happy, morning, holiday, hungry, Sunday. Children can pause the grid and they can find the words. Let's write. Question 1. Who said these words to whom? Wake up, dear. Wake up fast. Words to Neha. Ma, who woke me up today? Neha to mother. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? Mother to Neha. Question 2. Use the help box to fill in the blanks. Help box was, were. Was you can use with the singular person. Were you can use with the plural person. Ram dash a good football player. Ram was a good football player because here Ram is only one person. The cows dash grazing in the field. The cows were grazing in the field. My toys dash broken. My toys were broken. Her frock dash too long. Her frock was too long. The market dash closed. The market was closed. The children dash happy. The children were happy. Because children is already plural of child. The flowers dash kept in vase. The flowers were kept in a vase. Question 3. Look at the picture below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words. Pulled out, inside, called out. Yesterday I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. I looked behind the door. I looked inside a cupboard. I looked under a bed. I could not find it anywhere. Then I called out Sheru. Sheru, my dog, came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. He pulled out another book from my bag. Fun time. Here is a word clock. Write down words relating to the clock. Make a sentence. My clock is very beautiful. Sound. Tick, tick. Another word. Watch. Picture. Children can draw. Word in your language. Ghadi. Name different parts of time. Second, minute. Here is the word morning. Write down the different words related to it: sun, sky, morning, freshness, trees, birds. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.